Hello everyone and welcome to this another brand new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a ghost effect in Vegas Pro 16. You could as well use this technique in other Vegas versions including Movie Studio. So you just need to pay attention to whatever I'm going to show you. If you are not already a subscriber to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you won't miss anything. Let's get into the video. So you need a tripod to shoot this image so that your image shouldn't vary much in terms of either color, in terms of temperature, or it shouldn't be shaky so that this effect will be effective. I'm going to split this image. I can split it from this position or from the position where I want to get up. Yes, I will split it as from that position. Let me go frames by frame backward. Use the left arrow key to go backward. Let us play it. So this is the position where I want to get up. So I will split it from this position by pressing S on my keyboard. Like this. I will put this image at the top this way. Then this audio track I will also put it down. Now after splitting your clip, you have to make a snapshot at this very position. That is where you split the video. You can still make it here, or you can still point your cursor and make that snapshot here. So you first need to set your preview window to best and full so that the image should be good. So click on this icon, save snapshot to file. This is it. I will save it on my desktop. So it's going to appear up here. This is the snapshot, or in other Vegas versions like the previous versions, place your cursor at this position. You right click and you select insert or remove envelope and go to freeze frame at cursor. So that area is going to be freeze as from this position. Drag it to the point where that effect or your video gonna end. To this position, make sure this one you place it back where you made the snapshot, or you can put M there, a marker, hit M and place maybe 0.1, so that in case if you mistakenly displace any video, you can just place it back using that line. So right now if I play this, you'll see that as from this position I'm getting up. The other video beneath is not showing because the opacity of this video is still at 100%. So what I'm going to do is just simply reducing the opacity of the video of myself getting up this way. Let me reduce it to maybe 20% so that we can see the ghost effect taking place. Let me play it back. That is it. My computer might be slow. If the opacity is too low, you can still increase it gradually to maybe 40%. That is 39. There we go. Okay. In other Vegas versions, like older versions that don't have the freeze frame from cursor, like what I did, right click, go to insert or remove velocity, go to freeze frame and cursor. If your computer doesn't have that option, you will need to get back this one until you reach this line. Place the image that will snapshot, place it here. I think this is the image. I hope so. then you drag it to fill this area. Then if I play back, that is it. That is the ghost effect. Now this effect isn't all that effective if you lower the opacity of this top video, because it also reduces the opacity of the video beneath. That's why if I mute this layer, you see that the opacity of this one becomes 100%, but if I unmute it, it also reduces the opacity of that video. If you have time to do this effect, then you need to mask out yourself. Go to event pan crop of that video, that is the video at the top. Click mask, pick your anchor selection or your anchor creation tool. This is it. And now all you need is to start at the very beginning here. At the very beginning, you will need to mask, zoom in. You will need to mask yourself this way. Take time to mask yourself this way. Let's say I'm just doing something rough to show you how to do this. Okay, after meeting this point, you need to go frame by frame forward. Click on this arrow, or you use this one. You go to the next frame until where you find yourself going out of that mask. For example, my body here, you can animate, just pull and drag this one to uncover. Select this one, that is the normal editing tool. You can drag it, or you can increase it here so that your selection falls within that mask. Go to the next frame. Also do that, or at each point you can't, let me say I'm resetting the mask to do it this way. That is the best way. At each point, each time you move to the next keyframe, you can still trace it so that you make it to be accurate. This way, you move to the next keyframe. If your body is not in that like that, you still need to right click, go to reset, pick again, and then you still trace. So you are going to do that until you reach where your effect is gonna end. If not, you won't have an accurate ghost effect. But if you wanna do a quick ghost effect, you just simply need to reduce the opacity of this top video. If you use the event pan crop option, that is the masking option, after masking yourself, you will also need to reduce the opacity of this video, but that opacity won't affect this one beneath, because only the subject that you trace gonna be reduced in terms of opacity. So only that point where you mask gonna reduce the opacity of the video beneath. You can also use fading, fade out. Okay, this is myself going out. I should trim it to this position. You can use fade out, transition. Place your cursor at the end of your event until you find this fade out offset. Once you find this icon on your screen, then just maintain your left mouse and drag it this way. That also goes for fading transition at the beginning of an event. Just do the same if you like that effect. Reduce this one to this level. That is the package I put for you today in Vegas Pro on how to create a ghost effect. You can do that. It is a 2-second video, but if you are using the masking option, you really need to take much time to create this effect. But I rather prefer, if you want to do something good, then you need to mask out the subject or the video you want to apply the effect on. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.